Tucker the Naturopath from New Zealand. Thanks for coming back. Can I drink oat milk when I'm on the first stages of the CanSITA diet? Okay, so if we look at the 3 stages, we've got an introduction phase, which I term the MEVI diet, which is an acronym for meat, eggs, vegetables and yogurt, but it doesn't have to be exactly that. Then we've got the intermediate phase, the low allergy or hypoallergenic diet, where we're looking at maybe making some changes to foods you eat. And then we've got the third part, which is the reintroduction of like healthy foods or stuff you should be eating. So that whole transition can take a few months. So if we look at the first stage, yes, oat milk can be included for sure. Oats generally don't contain gluten. Well, if they do, there are only traces, and it's only because it's packaged on, equipment that had wheat, that was packaging wheat. That's the only reason why there's gluten in oats. But the levels are so low that I really wouldn't think that oat milk is going to be a problem for people unless they're celiac. All right, and even celiacs, I know, some celiacs I've seen can get away with oat milk here or there. So it depends on the brand, on the quality. It also depends on the sugar content, because a lot of these like milks, like almond milk and oat milk, they actually contain sugar in them. So have a look. There's no cane sugar in there or anything with OSE, O's on the end, sucrose or something like that, because that could mean there's sugar in that product, and you don't really want to be drinking milks with added sugars in there to sweeten them up. But it's perfectly acceptable. Okay, like this video if you like it, and please subscribe if you're not. So make videos for guys like you. Thank you.